Welcome to TLA 2021. One of the highlights of our annual conference is the exhibit hall, where more than 120 booths will host over 240 companies. We couldn't offer this great event without the support of our sponsors. Learn more about our legacy partner and President's Circle, Diamond, and Platinum sponsors by clicking the logos in this graphic. Next, let's go over to the exhibit hall. Watch the exhibitor showcases to learn about diverse topics and sessions hosted by our exhibitors. Join live chats with exhibitors on a variety of subjects in the exhibitor live Zoom rooms, or go visit authors. There are more than 90 author visits taking place throughout the conference in exhibitor booths. You can add your favorite author to your schedule. Also, be sure to check out exhibitor booth promotions, where you can enter to win some really great prizes and giveaways. Of course, you'll want to allow plenty of time to visit the more than 120 booths. Let's go visit a booth now. Once you are in an exhibitor's booth, you can schedule meetings and chat with exhibitor representatives. You'll also find resources, including author and demo schedules, videos, new titles, sample chapters, book club picks, and other useful information in the resources area. Don't forget to click the Email Me More button at the top of each booth to request follow-up. Also, make sure to allow time to visit our sponsors and thank them for supporting TLA 2021 and the association. We hope you have a great time at TLA 2021.